How to share NGL link on Facebook story. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, in order to share your NGL link to your Facebook story, make sure that your Instagram is connected with your Facebook. To do that, open up your Instagram app, get logged into your Instagram account, tap on three bar icon option, and under your account, tap on Accounts Center. Tap onto Profiles. If you see Facebook also, that means your Facebook account is connected with your Instagram account. Now let's go ahead and open up our NGL app. Once you do so, you'll see a page like this. Under here, copy the link, tap on OK, tap on the next, and next. Once done, tap on Share on Instagram. Now at this page, tap onto the sticker, and here choose Link option. Now simply paste the link that you copied from your NGL app and tap on Done. Let's go ahead and put the sticker on top of your NGL icon. Once done, tap onto your story. And now as your Facebook and your Instagram is connected, make sure that you allow Facebook to share this story as well. And that way your story of NGL link will be shared onto your Facebook as well. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.